Hi, good morning YouTube. Sackboy Mahalo here with another video. It's that almost time to harvest the grapes. They said harvest time is around late summer or early fall, so it's getting close. As you can see, most of the grapes are starting to turn red. So it's getting close. But today we're going to talk about the dragon fruit. So for a while, I haven't been using fertilizer on the dragon fruit, maybe for more than a year, because of the prices that they have gone high, so high or expensive. But I was able to buy fertilizer from Costco, and I started using it. And when I stopped using it before, I noticed that my flowers were falling and not progressing until they bloom. They usually fall before they're still like flower buds, small, and eventually also the yellow dragon fruit, the Palora, they weren't developing. But now, since I started using fertilizer, they're back. As you can see, they're starting to develop again. So when I stop using fertilizer, my fruits started to dwindle down. By the way, I have bitter melon now. So I'm glad that the fruits are back, but and also for the last year I wasn't doing hand pollination anymore. I just let it go, and still happy that fruits still develop. Not as much though, but I'm not doing it anymore. I'm letting the bees do it now. So we have a yellow one here in the same pose as the red one. My fruits are about average size. I used to be really big when I was doing my cross-pollination, but that's fine. There's still quite a few that are larger, and some are smaller. As you can see, the percentage of the fruits developing is lower without hand pollination. But I'm okay with that, since yeah, it's getting dangerous to hand pollinate at night. So I just let the bees do it. So we still have like this one here. It did not push through. But still have a lot of fruits that develop. And also, when I started using the fertilizer, my avocados are getting better as well. Since the dragon fruit surrounds the avocado tree, and because of that, the avocados get fertilizer as well. Like this one here. So this, by the way, is one of my experiments, and this is a crossbreed between the Palora and it's the Israel Golden Yellow and regular red variety. So they have fruits this year. Actually, they started having fruit last year, but not that much, because I stopped using fertilizer, and now they're back with more fruits. Here's a avocado. The other one is circular, this one is elongated. So avocados love water and fertilizer. And the tomatoes are here as well. No ripe tomatoes yet. This one did not push through. See, if I did my hand pollination, this would have pushed through to become fruits, but that's fine with me. As you can see, we have down the post here, so it's a lot dangerous for me to do cross pollination at night, so I stopped. And we have the guavas as well. So I just waited for a cheap fertilizer from Costco. I'll do that next year as well when they're on sale. Okay, that's it for today. We have the grapefruit up there. Grapefruit and mandarins. There's a lot of mandarins. It's like Christmas balls. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.